Hi, my name is Tyler Smythe. I'm the mechanical engineer here at Senga Engineering. I help lead our engineering department for 3D printing, quality assurance, CMM programming, and other advanced inspection machines, and also helping in tool and die making. Senga Engineering is a precision CNC machine shop. We specialize in volume machining for a variety of different industries, including aerospace, energy, medical, defense, and small connectors. We do a limited amount of small specialized prototyping, but we really specialize in large-scale production. To give a little backstory, in 1979, the company was founded and then acquired by our owner, Roy Jones, who's really grown the company from a few small machines like bridge ports, hard bridges, small lathes and mills, all manual, and we've really grown into large CNC machining for multi-axis lathes, mills, and horizontal machining in 5-axis. What we really look to do is meet our customers' goals and requirements of making mission-critical parts that are precise, specialized, and really with tight tolerances, just to make them happy and also to make sure that everything is functioning as it should out in the field. My introduction to 3D printing was just really small hobbyist printers, something that we just use like a small PLA, just extruded on a small bed. They worked out okay from the start, but over time they really just weren't meeting the quality we needed for our manufacturing floor or the quality we needed for our inspection. They were also very cumbersome to use. They were extremely slow to print. They would always warp or not function as well as we were hoping. It was just always a long process. So when we was looking at the Stratasys printer, it just seemed to really hit a lot of nails on the head when it came to faster printing, easy setup, very intuitive to use, and I can spend more of my time focusing on design to get to the printer versus just trying to make my printer work. The main reason why we chose the Stratasys printer was to really help us in our inspection and our quality assurance department. It gave us a lot of flexibility to create custom tools that really fit our parts. Initially, we only started out with just making inspection fixtures and jigs, but we've really expanded out to creating tools for our manufacturing floor, including bead blast fixtures and grit blast fixtures, dust covers for more ergonomic tools for our operators, replacing buttons and key fobs and other things that initially was just small parts, but to get a replacement part was always a lot longer than just 3D printing one right away. We've also expanded into creating tools for our customers as well. It was really interesting to see just all the applications, and we're always coming up with more. It's not just one or two, and we've really found it can replace a lot of what we used to do traditionally off the shelf or stuff we had to manufacture ourselves. So it's a lot quicker and it's a lot faster. So what the Stratasys 3D printer did is it just cut everything down. As an engineer, I can go straight from designing to printing within a day and get my part the next day. Versus when we did our traditional CNC machining, it could be anywhere from 5 days to a week and cost thousands of dollars. So the Stratasys 3D printer allowed us to do custom design for our needs right away. But GoEngineer has been a great partner. They've really helped us expand our design capabilities. If we ever have any questions, they're always there to answer. And after doing so many great years with them with SolidWorks and our CAD design and CAD modeling, we really looked at them initially to help us out with doing 3D metal design and printing. But then we found the Stratasys 450 MC printer, and it was fantastic. Once we purchased it, they were awesome in helping us troubleshoot, get it working as well as we needed it to. And if we had any questions, they were always there to answer very quickly. We think the Stratasys 3D printer has really started to help us grow our capabilities. We're going to continue advancing in our 3D printing technology, and GoEngineer has been great at helping us provide all the support that we've needed to really meet and grow as a company as a whole.